Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series door panel. Start by lowering the glass and removing visible screws near the armrest and handle, then pry the trim gently with a trim tool. Release plastic clips by pulling outward and upward while supporting the panel. Detach electrical connectors carefully and lift the panel clear of the window channel, keeping screws organized for reinstallation. Before you begin, make sure you have a plastic trim tool, Torx drivers, and a small tray for screws. Protect the door edge with tape and lower the window to ease panel removal. Disconnect the negative battery terminal if you'll touch wiring or the speaker. Work calmly, release clips progressively from the panel edge, and avoid forcing parts to prevent broken tabs or scratched paint. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to show support and get more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long jobs and fits most cup holders, so you won't need to leave your project for a drink. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the visible screws and the trim around the handle, then gently pry the panel edges to pop out clips. Once clips release, lift the panel upward to clear the window channel before pulling it away. Disconnect electrical plugs and the door lock rod using needle nose pliers, keeping connectors oriented for reassembly. Inspect clips and replace any broken ones before reinstalling to ensure a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.